Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be trying cosmic gummy rings.
Oh.
We got tropical punch, cherry, and grape. Let's crack these open and give them a try. Let's see if these take me out of this world.
Whoa! Huh?
Cue the special effects. Look at these cosmic rings.
Oh, no.
Now they really scammed us. I thought they were gonna be like the size of peach rings. Let's see what they taste like. They're kind of like the Nerds gummy clusters, but in a ring, obviously. They're chewy, gummy. You kind of can taste like the different flavors between them. The stuff on top has like a flavor to them too. Overall, I think they're sweet, delicious, and bussin'.